Hello, hello. Ah, that's it. Yo! I need to post a lot of videos. Instead, you have small salary just for 1 month. They can only give you big salary if someone sending you big super chat like that. You have a spender as good sender. Hello guys. Just done shower. So I'm making 2 videos now, one live and one video. I have only 4 viewers. Oh my god. What happened to my other viewers? My other subscriber? Where are you guys? I like my new earrings. It's green. Maybe the your hair is green. I'll dry it with my blower later. I don't have any more sender there. Hi, it's my Elsa Jar. Can we get to eat? Huh? You want to eat or what? You have super chat there and you can send me. Oh guys, I want to try something. I want to put some eyelashes on my eyes. Tama ba? On my eyes. Shit, hindi na kasya yung short ko. So, tell me what you want. You want. So that's all for me, guys. I will make other videos. Hope you will watch it. Bye bye. Thank you for watching. I love you all. Shushu. Good night. Wait, ayaw mo end. Oh, hi there. So, mag-aano ako ng eyelash ko. So, tell me more what you gonna me. I'm just alone here in my house. And this is 10 p.m. na. Kakaligo ko lang, guys. Kasi nga, di ko na ako maligo. Pag wala kang pasok, alam mo yun. Pag wala kang trabaho. Tapos wala ka pang kasama sa bahay. Diba? Wala din. Say you don't know what you mean to me. Tutuloy ko ba yun? Or bukas na? So, I'm using this, guys, for my skin. Sabi nila other day lang. Pag first timer ka, para once a week mo lang siya ilalagay. Pag The first time na nilagay. Pag after 1 week, pwede mo na siya mag-other day. Kasi medyo matapang daw to. Parang need ko i-on yung aircon. Kasi sobrang init. O, diba? Ang ganda ko na. Pero matutulog lang pala ako. Doon ka na magpaganda at maligo pero matutulog ka lang pala. This one from Rozo. Ganda siya, guys. Para ka na din si Nadine sa Monte. Nadine Ilustre pala. So, thank you for watching. Bye!